YouTube, Uper here. I got an unboxing today. Got my giveaway from D Native Tearz. Gonna open it with my Kershaw sender. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Got some kind of coffee drink. Cold brew. It's like Mexican vanilla. I'll have to give it a try. Thanks a lot, D. Green tea, I love tea. And I will be using this. Pretty sweet. No. No. Says, hey brother, so many folks donated items. I hope you will like all the goodies. Let's see. Jimmy Slash, Tack Hill, Noob Tactical, Kim Williams, and Drive Shaft Drew. All donated. Thank you all very much. And okay. Ball cap light. I'll use that when I'm digging. Knife. Where'd my knife go? Okay, we have a flashlight. There, could always use a flashlight. Pretty nice. Thank you. What else is in here? And a matching blue knife. Nice aluminum scales. Tip down carry. Very nice. I love blades. We got some seeds, marigold mix, and sugar pie pumpkin. I got a garden spot out back. I'm gonna try that on. Some green paracord. That paracord always comes in handy. Altoids 10. These must be these fire starters. Definitely gonna try them. I'm gonna save one to try in the snow. When I get snow again, just for D. Got a home style velvet throw blanket. I'll put that in my get home bag. And Cape Fear Fatwood Emporium got some Sweetwood mini cakes. I'm gonna try these out too. I bet they'd work good in the snow too. We get a lot of snow up here in the winter. And we got some Sweetwood flapjacks from Cape Fear. I've been wanting to try some of his products, and now here's my chance. What else we got? Here's this. Blazing Saddles hot sauce. You know I'm gonna try that. I like hot sauce. And we got some awesome looking fatwood. Some matches and candy. I love candy. Thanks, Dee. If y'all don't know Dee, check her channel out, Native Tearz. Give her a sub if you're not already subbed. Tell her Uper sent you. Thank you very much, Dee, and all who donated. Uper out.